This is the Desmond Show.
You know, you've read the script, right? Where's the DOP?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh. Oh, I thought she's supposed to be your girlfriend.
Yes, but oh, baby, you are good now. She can do it. She's a professional. She can do it. Yeah.
Okay, wait. Camera audio. Are you set? All right. Standing by. Take one. Action.
Let's see.
Cut. Why she's out of my shot?
God, I'm supposed to be the director. Okay, please, we are taking it from the top again.
All right.
God. Yeah. Standing by. Audio camera. All right, action.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Cut.
What is your problem?
The boom man now. The boom was in my shot.
Let me be the one to direct. For the last time, please. Oh God, you're a professional. You know that. Yeah. All right, standing by. Audio camera. Action.
Oh my God.
What's the meaning of this? Okay, I think this is the last shot right now, okay? Please, don't interrupt me, please. Audio camera, standing by, tape 25, action!
Oh, baby.
Cut. What was all this? For God's sake, what was this? What was your problem? Is that how to kiss? Is that how to kiss? What's her problem now? I don't even understand what she's doing. Is that acting?
Baby, calm
it's supposed
down
to
now.
be acting. And she's kissing. You're kissing and she's dipping it. What's the meaning of that now? Is she supposed to be a prostitute in this?
Okay.
This is acting. It is not real life. I don't understand. What are you even wearing? No, the shot did not say she's a prostitute. The shot said she's a girlfriend, not a prostitute. Why the whole harassing?
It's just
why
acting
the whole
now.
harassing? I don't understand.
It's just acting now, baby.
It's okay. We know what to do. It's okay. This is a wrap for now.
Hey, wrap it.
Let's kiss the final kiss so that we'll go. Let's kiss the final kiss.
MC Desmond Cares.